Morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Sir,
morning.
sir, I have sent you two questions on your personal
Good
number.
morning,
Sir,
sir.
can you please explain me them?
Yes,
Those questions.
yes. With two questions.
Sir, I have sent it on your personal.
Okay, I'm checking. Do you know how to play guitar very well?
Yes, sir. Sir, this period is of reasoning or math? Sir,
This
happy
is,
birthday to you.
huh? Sorry?
Yes, sir, but how do you...
It is your,
of reasoning or maths?
it is reasoning period, beta. Reasoning period. We have
Okay, sir.
completed reasoning syllabus. So, yeah.
And you can again explain the 20-second question. I can't understand it properly.
Question 22nd from reasoning.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, just a minute.
The chapter
Huh.
number coding and decoding.
If zebra is coded, zebra can be written as 265. Okay. 2181. Okay. How can cobra be written? NO. Answer will be 315218A. 181.
Sir, I am asking
Option B. Let
Sir,
me tell
but
you. Let me tell you, beta. Let me tell you. I'm telling you. Don't worry.
Sir, I have also a query.
Very good, beta. Very good. I like when students ask their doubts. When you all have doubts, that means you all are studying. I like it.
Sir, please can you also explain the 25th
Just
question of the
a minute.
puzzle
Just a
test?
minute. One by one, I will take all the doubts. Those who have doubts, they can raise their hands. I will give you chance one by one myself. So this is for Varun Goyal. Varun Goyal has given me a question. You all can also try this.
Sir, we have to do from question number 25.
क्वेश्चन क्या है?
Prepare myself.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. So Varun Goyal has asked a question. Everyone, the question is code for the word zebra. Zebra, sorry. Is given 2652181. 2652181. You have to find the code for the word cobra. Yes.
Sir,
Okay,
which
so
question are we doing?
Varun, it is very easy. This is a query of Varun Goyal. I am writing the name who has asked it. This is a doubt asked by Varun Goyal. Code for the word zebra is given. You have to find the code for the word cobra. So, Varun, look at this, and everyone else also.
Yes, sir.
Here, you have to think like in English alphabets. What is the position of the letter Z? It comes at the last. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So what will
Yes,
be the
sir.
number? Suppose number A is coming at first position. Number B is coming
Yes,
at second position. Sorry, letter B is coming at second position. C third, D fourth, E fifth. Similarly, Z will come at 26th position. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So code for Z is 26. E comes at the fifth position, 5. Got it? B will come at the second position. Look at the code. 2.
Yes, sir.
R
Sir, R
comes
will 18.
come at the 18th position.
Sir, 18.
18. A comes at the first position. 1.
Yes, 1.
The code for Cobra. C comes at the third position.
3.
3. O comes at 15th position.
15. Sir,
15.
B at 2. Sir,
2,
Sir,
1, 8,
18.
1. Answer 3, 1, 5, 2, 1, 8, 1. Got it?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. And sir, after that, I have sent you one more question. So please explain me that also. Sir,
Yes.
I also have a
One by
doubt
one.
in
One by one, beta. One by one. Let me clear Varun's
Sir,
doubt.
I also have.
Yes. One by one, I will give you chance, all of you. So, Varun, your second question is: if in a certain language, popular is coded as this. Popular. Popular. Popular is coded as QPQV. QPQV.
Sir, this question I have done.
MBS. You have to find the code for the word. So, which word would be coded as this? Matlab, that means the code is given this time. You have to find out the word. This is code for which word? GBN, GBN, PVT, PVT. Okay. So you have to find out the word this time. Ulta. So popular in English alphabets, you all know that P के बाद क्या आता है? Q, P, Q, R, right? P, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
Yes.
So P के बाद Q आता है. L, M, N, O, P, O के बाद next letter is P. Again P के बाद Q. U. What is the next letter after U?
Sir, V.
U, V. L, M, A, B, and R, S. बन गया देखो. Have you all understood how the word popular is coded? We have just written the next letter from in English alphabets. Okay. So here the code is given. That means you will move to the previous letter to find out the word.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Move to the previous letter to find out the word. A, B, C, D, E, F, E, F, G. Okay. B से पहले A आता है. N से पहले M आता है. P से पहले क्या आता है? O.
Sir, the answer is famous.
Famous. Sir, famous.
V से
Sir,
पहले
they
U.
are
P
giving
से पहले S.
farmer
Answer
and
is
option.
famous. Okay. Got it? Parin and everyone else.
Sir, I have a query in 2 questions.
बेटा इरम
Sir, I have also.
इरम मैं आपके डाउट नहीं बताऊंगा. अच्छा नहीं बता रहा, मजाक कर रहा हूँ. इरम यस.
Sir, my first doubt is in 5th question of sir, the chapter is direction sense test.
Can you tell me the page number, Iram?
Sir, page number is 47.
47. Question number this one. Suchit 5. Suchit.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it is
Suchit is
very
a
easy. I done it yesterday.
Sir, it
Suchit.
is very easy.
Just a minute. Suchit is at position P. Are you asking this question, Iram?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. Suchit is at position P facing S. Okay. He walks forward and makes a 90-degree turn to the right from the next position.
Sir, the answer will be
Walks
U.
forward and makes a 90-degree turn to the right from the next position. He walks on the next position where he makes another 90-degree turn to the right to reach the next and final position. What is his final position? U. Answer is U.
Yes, sir.
इरम देखो
Sir, but how?
Yes, I am explaining. See, this is letter P, this is S, this is R, and this is U. Okay, so the position of Suchit is P, and he is facing
Sir,
U. He is facing this direction. Sorry, he is facing S. S. So first he moves forward, and after reaching S, he takes a right turn, 90-degree turn, right turn. Okay. And then again he moves forward, then again he takes a right turn, 90-degree right turn. Okay. Right turn. And finally he reaches which position? U. U is the answer. Okay.
yes, sir.
Sir, my second query is, sir, in
Page number?
sir the puzzle, sir the coding decoding one. Sir,
Page number.
20.
Page number.
1 minute. Yes, sir, I got it. Sir, on page number 63.
Page number 63. Okay. Question number?
Sir, question number 22.
22. Vishal.
Yes, sir.
Vishal starts his guitar classes from first Wednesday of July. Okay. So, first Wednesday on July, what is the date? Iram, what is the date on first Wednesday of July? First of Wednesday, what is the date, Iram? The first Wednesday of July. Hello, Iram.
Sir, 1.
Sir, 4th. Sir, 4th.
4th, correct. The date is 4. Okay. If he started his classes from 4th, okay, 4th of July, that means. He takes
Okay, sir.
leaves on odd number of days. Then how many days does he go for guitar classes in that month?
The answer
Okay.
is 12.
Let's take Sunday as a holiday. Sunday is a holiday. Okay. So that means he will go for classes on 4, 6. 4 you can count 6, you cannot count 8. Why not 8, Iram?
Sir, because it is a Sunday.
Very good. Why not 5 and 7, Iram?
Sir, because they are odd numbers.
Odd numbers, correct. So after 4 and 6, you will count 10, then 12, then 14, then 16, then 18, then 20. Can we count 22 or not, Iram?
No, no,
Because
sir.
it is a Sunday. Then 24, then 26, then 28, then 30. Count how many days we have covered.
Sir,
12
12.
days. Answer is 12. Okay.
Sir, first May is coming. Sir, 13. Sir, now I get it. Sir, 2 is not the answer.
Yeah.
The 2 is not called.
Sir, I have
Sir,
also
I can tell
query.
my query.
Yes, Pratishtha.
Sir.
Yes. Iram has
Okay,
put
sir.
her hand down. Pratishtha, yes.
Sir, my query is on page number 61, sir, question 9.
Page number 61, question 9. This one, pen wala question.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So here some names of students and types.
6/3.
Some names of students and types of pens are given below. How many different combinations of one kind of pen and one student can be formed? Matlab, let me explain the question. So pen number 1, I'm giving it a name pen 1. Okay, Pratishtha, look at the first pen. So pen 1 and Vinay, this is the first combination. We have to make different combinations. Okay. Then can we make a combination like this? Pen 1 and the second student is Sneha. Second combination. Similarly, pen 1 and third student Tarun. Tarini Tarun. Pen 1 and fourth student Ajay. Pen 1 and fifth student Priya. Pen 1 and sixth student Mini. So these are all the combinations from pen 1 which we have made with using pen 1 and the other students. So these are total 6 combinations. Like this, we have how many pens? We have pen 2 also. So for pen 2 we will have again 6 combinations. Pen 2 के भी 6 combination बन जाएंगे, like pen 2 Vinay, pen 2 Sneha, pen 2 Tarun, pen 2 Ajay, and so on. We will have 6 combinations for this also. Then pen 3 will also have 6 combinations. Pen 4 will also have 6 combinations, and pen 5 will also have 6 combinations. So now you count 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. That means 6 into 5. If you add 6 5 times, what do you get? You get 6 into 5. How many? 30 combinations. Understood, Pratishtha? Answer is 30.
But sir, there are 5 students and 6.
Thank you, sir.
5 pens and 6 students. 5 pens and 6 students. Pratishtha, understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any other doubt, Pratishtha?
No, sir.
Okay. चलिए, निहित अग्रवाल.
Yes, sir. So my doubt is on page number 6622.
Page
Question.
number 66, question number 22. Mississippi. ABCD लिख लेते हैं for doing this question. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Just check it whether I have written correctly or not. My English is very weak.
Sir, it is correct.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. ठीक है, very good. So in this question, there is a word Mississippi. It is coded as MISSI, Mississippi, SICP, Mississippi. It is coded as LERRE, RREOE, coded as this in the same code language, Olympic.
Sir, we have to say in the code language. Sir, it is the which letter is there, sir, it before letter is coming.
So Olympic, how to code this word Olympic in the same type of coding? How
Sir,
will you
may I
code
tell?
this? Just a minute, beta. Let me explain. We have already done this question before. So
Yes, sir.
sorry, Nihit is having a doubt. I am explaining him. Nihit, others also,
Yes,
you also
sir.
can pay attention for this. Everyone, those who have not understood this question, please pay attention. So Mississippi is coded as this. Now you look the search for the letter M here, and
Yes.
the previous letter just previous letter for before M is L. So which is written here? L. Okay. L is written here. Then in place of I, we have not written the previous letter. I से पहले H आता है, but we have not written H. We have written E. Do you know why? Because I is a vowel. अगर vowel आएगा तो हम previous letter नहीं लिखेंगे, हम previous vowel लिखेंगे. Are you getting it or not?
Okay,
So what is the previous
Please, can you
vowel?
explain it again? I did not understand.
If there is any letter,
understand this.
if there is any letter which is not a vowel, you will just write the previous letter. M की जगह L लिख दिया, देखो लिखा M की जगह L, ये लिखा है.
So, sir, why in previous question we have not done like this?
बेटा, it is different type of coding. Coding can be done in any way. That is what you have to decode. इसी को बोलते हैं decoding. अगर आसान तरीके से कर देंगे तो कोई भी दुश्मन तुम्हारी बात को समझ जाएगा, नहीं समझेगा. If suppose you are an army man, you want to convey a message to your fellow soldier in a secret code, and you don't want anyone else to understand it. Suppose किसी पाकिस्तानी के हाथ में लग गया, फिर क्या होगा? Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
So that is why it is done in the most difficult possible way. So letter M, the previous letter.
Then how that fellow soldier can understand?
Beta, he, you and him. Suppose you were working somewhere, you were having your training somewhere. In a particular camp, you were having your training. So you decided whenever we will talk in a secret language, we will do this type of coding. That you will decide earlier only. And then when you go for a mission, you talk in that manner that only you will understand, no one else will understand. Are you getting it or not?
Yes, sir.
So M, the previous letter of M is L. Okay, just behind M, it is L. So M is not a vowel. So we are writing the previous letter. Is M a vowel, Samrid? M
No,
is a vowel.
sir.
So we are writing the previous letter. I is a vowel, right? So for I, we will not write the previous letter. This is wrong. We will not write H. We will write the previous vowel if it is a vowel. Okay. So the previous vowel of I is, preceding vowel of I is E. Got it? Same thing is followed throughout the word. Okay. In the whole word, the same concept is followed. Understood or not, everyone now? So let's do the coding for the word Olympic. O is a vowel, everyone.
Yes,
Am I
sir.
right? So O से पहले कौन सा vowel आता है? Tell me.
Sir, E.
I, not E. I is the previous vowel of O, preceding vowel of O. I. The letter before L. L is not a vowel, so you will write the letter just before L,
Okay.
which is K. Okay. Y is again not a vowel, so you will write X. Y is not a vowel.
Correct.
M is not a vowel, so you will write L.
Correct.
P is not a vowel, so you will write O. Because P is not a vowel, you will write O. Okay. I is a vowel, so we should write E, not the previous letter. We should write the previous vowel. Now C, the previous letter is B. This is the code. IKXLOEB. Understood? Samrid, understood or not?
Yes, sir. Sir, please can you now clear my query?
Yes. Next is Samrid. Nate,
Please explain me 25th question of
Sir,
that
I now
coding and
understood.
decoding one.
I have only one question.
okay. Samrit, you have doubt in question number 25, page number 67, right?
And so 26 also.
25 and 26, both. Okay. So this is page number from page number 67, question number 25. In a certain code language, if prime is coded as prime, just a second. I need this ABCD. Question number 25 from page number 67. The word prime is coded as RPHEM. RPHEM. Okay. Then how will the word given be coded in the same language? GIVEN.
Sir, I know. Sir, can I give the answer?
Have you all decoded R and the
Yes,
coding
sir.
for the word prime? How
Yes,
it is
sir.
done?
Yes, sir. We have done.
P
sir.
R. No, not like this. I don't think it is like this. It is
So
like this.
interchange all the letters.
Interchange the first and second letter.
Interchange the letter.
Yes, sir. Sir, it would be
Interchange
first
the last two letters.
Then
Sir, the middle one is not interchanged, sir. It is interchanged with the next letter.
sir, it is interchanged with the before letter.
Yes. So the middle letter I is interchanged with the previous. So it's in place of I, the previous letter is written. And for the group PR, make the first group PR. For these two, you will interchange the position. P ki jagah R and R ki jagah P. Understood? Like this. And
So
for
IG,
ME, also you will interchange the position. So first group GI, make it IG. Last में EN की जगह NE. Are you getting it, Samrid? And in place of V, you will write the previous letter, which is U. Okay, so IGUNE. Let's do question number 26. Same page, question 26. In a certain code language, Mason is coded as Mason. Mason word is coded as this, @ equal to multiply hash. And the word pole is also given. The word pole is also coded. The coding is $, multiply, plus, and greater than. Okay, so this is the coding for the word pole. You have to now find the code for the word ample. AMPLE. Ample.
So I understood.
So very easy. Look at the code for the letter A. What is the code for the letter A? Percent.
The percentage.
Percentage.
For the letter M, what is the code? M का code क्या है? @
Sir, at the rate.
Code for the word letter P is $.
The dollar symbol.
L, what is the code for L? Plus.
Plus.
And code for the letter E is greater than symbol. So this is the answer. Got it?
Percentage $, plus.
Option D.
Yes,
Understood?
sir.
Samrid, noted.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Any other doubt, all of you? Anyone else? Is there any other doubt? You can ask if you have any doubt, all of you. Okay, then everyone start revising your this chapter. Puzzle test, chapter 7. Open it and start revising it, everyone. Open the chapter and start revising.
So you will take test then?
Puzzle test. Start revising puzzle test. I will ask you question from this. Any question I can ask. Okay. You first start revising. Yes, Samar.
Sir, I am saying that, sir, what was the answer of first puzzle test question?
Puzzle test question 1. All of you, what is the answer? Who is good in all subjects?
Sir, the puzzle test first answer.
Raj. Answer is Raj. Samar. Sorry, you
No,
are asking
sir.
from the exercise. So I'm so sorry. I was telling it from the first. If you write down all the numbers from 1 to 100, how many times do you write 3? Yes, all of you, how many times do you write 3? If you write all the numbers from 1 to 100.
Sir, 20. Sir, can you explain me? Sir, can you
Yes,
explain this?
yes,
Sir,
sure, why
may I
not? Sure. First 3, number 3 will obviously has the digit 3, then 13, then 23, then 33, then 43, 53, 63, 73,
Sir, 12.
83,
Sir, 12 times.
93. Now 30, 31, 32, 34, 33 we have already taken. Okay. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. But in the number 33, 3 is coming 2 times. So that means 20 is the answer. Okay.
Sir, it is a very tricky question.
Understood?
Sir, where is this? Sir, where is this?
It is not a very tricky question. It is so simple question.
Sir, where is this question?
This is question 1 of first question of chapter puzzle test from the exercise. So total, how many times we have written 3? Total 20 times. 3, the digit 3 is written 20 times. Okay. Samar, have you understood? Samar is not happy.
Sir, why?
Have you understood, beta? You are not telling.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That means you are happy now.